I just found a way to create 50 to 100 viral AI UGC ads in minutes. Not by filming content, not by hiring creators. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to go from zero idea to fully finished, high converting ads step by step. Let's get into it. The truth is, most people struggle with ads because they try to create something new every time. But the best ads aren't new. So instead of starting from scratch, we're gonna steal structure and let AI do the heavy lifting.
Go to Pinterest, TikTok, or any ad library and search for things like product ads, beauty ads. Now jump into Fotor and go to the AI image generator. Upload your ad concept and your product image. Now we write the prompt. Using the ad concept from image 1, recreate a product ad using the product from image 2. Adapt all visuals, text, and layout to match the product, so everything feels natural and consistent. Instead of generating just one image, generate multiple variations. Each one will follow the same concept, but with slight differences in layout, text, and composition.
Now let's take it a step further. Instead of recreating the same ad, we can generate completely new variations.
Use a prompt like this. Use the structure of the reference ad as inspiration, but create a new version tailored to the product. Do not copy directly. Instead, reinterpret and improve the concept. Now every image you generate is a new creative direction. Different headlines, different layouts, different visual styles.
And the best part? You can reuse the same prompt. Just swap out the product. Now you can create ads for skincare, tech, fashion, or anything else in minutes.
To make your ads even more engaging, let's switch over to Fotor's image to video feature. Simply upload your generated ad images and enter a prompt to bring them to life with dynamic effects.
This completely transforms the way advertisements are produced. Instead of spending time and money designing ads one by one, you can now generate dozens of creative variations in batches and quickly identify the high-performing winners. This is the secret to creating highly effective product ads using AI, and it represents the true advantage of using Fotor. All right, that wraps up today's video. All the links and tools I used are listed in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.